Hi, my name is Bob Lewis. I'm Director of IET at IEM. Just finished 2 wonderful days at this leadership conference. You can see everyone behind me is buzzing because the whole team got tremendous value and broke down expectations of coming into it and just completed some great work. We're super excited to continue into the next steps and are super appreciative of Phoenix for hosting this for us and giving us the opportunity to become better educators.
Awesome. And what would you say to somebody who's skeptical of this kind of work?
Don't worry about it. It'll all be good. You should do it. You always want to make yourself better. You should always be looking to improve. You should always want to try to get to that next level because when you do that, you affect kids in the most positive, fantastic way.
Awesome. And one more question. What's different about this versus maybe other leadership training you've done?
Way more interactive. It's not stale. It challenges you to think about things that you might have not thought about. It challenges you to break down preconceptions that you may have had and conquer them with a great set of tools.
Awesome. Thank you.
Of course.